Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel.
And today we're going to be filming a really cool video.
Today we are going to be trying out a mini beauty blender washing machine.
Obviously it's not meant to be a beauty blender washing machine. It's meant to just be like
That's what it was advertised as online though.
Yeah, well obviously it's not meant to be, is it?
It came from China. I got it from Wish, but you can get like hoovers and stuff as well.
So if you like the series, let us know. How much was it?
I think it was £6 altogether. Because it was like £4 and then like £2 delivery or something like that. But we thought we'd try it out.
Can I open it?
Yeah. We've got 2 brushes to try out and a beauty blender. So this is
batteries.
Oh,
that's great, isn't it?
right, hang on, I've got some downstairs. It's fine. Batteries in it, and I've taken. This is actually going to be so fun. I can't even.
Should I get some water?
Yeah, but I need to put the battery thing on first, and I can't figure out how to do it. So Hayley's just putting water in the washing machine, and we're going to put the brush cleaner in it. This is the Sigma Magic Brush Shampoo. Oh my god. Wait, pour a little bit out because it's so much.
No, it's not.
That's so much. Oh my god.
It's fine.
She says it all. So, I'm going to put some of this in it because this will work better than soap. Hopefully. If I can get any out. There's no direction, I'm sorry, wait.
So it's come up with bubbles,
It's literally got so many bubbles in it. Wait, can you see? So we're going to pop the beauty blender in. It's so full.
Oh wait, the people is stuck. Wait, no, Jazz!
It's going round. Wait, Hayley.
No,
wait, let go of it a sec. Hey!
That's what you get.
I think it's broken. Oh god, what have we done? It's got too much water in it.
It's gonna be red.
I'll put it the other way around. It's literally soaking wet.
Turn it off first.
It's just it's just soaking wet. I'm just scared about it getting wet because of the batteries.
Like it's too big.
Oh my god, it's made it so big. Wait. It's made it huge. Okay, I would say it's actually kind of cleaned it. Apart from this area here, like this area looks, what?
Smell my hands.
They smell clean, kind of. Like, but that's actually come up quite well.
No, it smells like a clean soap. Like,
right. Anyway, I'm gonna put this one in it now.
Can I press the button?
Yeah. It feels so weird. I don't think it's actually doing anything though. It's soaked.
It smells like sick.
Wait, can you press the button? Press the button. Like put it through here or something. Like you're meant to like wait. Wait, film it. It like comes out of here. This is how you drain it. No, that's what you're meant to do.
You snapped it.
Yeah, no, I know I did, but right.
Don't work at all.
No, I think it worked. It still like looks the colour, but all the foundation's actually kind of out of it. I want to try the blue one now. Oh my god, it's literally leaking so much. Wait. I feel like this one's going to work the best.
It's the smallest.
I can see it coming off.
Look at that. I'm literally barely holding on to it.
It's literally dripping everywhere.
Sorry.
Right, it's dripping everywhere, so I think we need to stop. Wait.
Look how much much bubbles is in it.
I mean,
Oh my god, the brush is actually like considering like the before and after shot.
it's like obviously cleaned a little bit. I think it's stained blue.
Yeah.
Because of obviously it's quite a bright colour, and I've had it on here for like, I haven't washed this brush for like a year.
Wow.
So, what's your opinion? It's a bit of a waste of time, I think.
And money. Like,
although it was a fun idea. I think the idea of it is so cool.
and if you want to see some more Wish trying out.
Yes, we've got things on the way. We'll see you in our next video. Bye!